Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Using a socket wrench and a 15mm socket, unscrew the upper holding screw. Then, using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the lower screws on the shock absorber. Finish off the process by hand and remove the screw. You can now extract the shock absorber.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Position the shock absorber and put the lower fixing screw in place. Then screw it back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You may need to use a jack to align the position of the shock head screw. Then fix it in place with a socket wrench. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Remove the jack. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.